Anastasia is a teacher at a Montessori academy in the United States. Throughout the school year, Anastasia utilized SCP's STEM through Solar Cooking curriculum resource. Here, she shares how she integrates the lessons and activities into her curriculum.
It did start with my own personal interest in it. I had an oven that would heat the house up, when you cook in the summer. So getting the idea of being able to cook my dinner outside, have it cooking all day long, and bring it in was awesome. And it was so easy. It was so easy. So bringing that into the classroom was important so that I could spread the word and the students could then get excited about that and take that home. And I just added to the drive that one of the students who cooked on our last day of school went home and cooked his dinner at home also. And that's the goal right there. 100% is for the kids to get it home, and then it can become something more for them and their families, and the word just keeps spreading. In Montessori at the adolescent level, the students are learning that kind of like, as they say, money is life. They need to have a business, in class business, that gives them the opportunity to start earning money, to really understand and connect with the value of their money and where they're going to put their money as a class or as an individual. If they go, so they're talking about dried fruits, dried mushrooms, dried herbs, because that's something that they can do pretty quickly, because they're all about, I want my money now. They can dry it and package it and sell it. So they are thinking about that. And I think it's going to be a wonderful tool for them. Some of the students are talking about chutneys and how to, like your applesauce, Jennifer, I think it's your famous applesauce. A lot of potential for the students in an entrepreneurship type of platform. So the stone soup, I absolutely love that story, and it takes me back to 30 years ago, my early days of teaching, and to be able to replace the crock pot for my stone soup lesson, even with adolescents, to be able to replace the solar cooker and now do our stone soup that way was amazing. So it was really a great thing to do. I made stews all the time, but I didn't connect it until I saw your stone soup. Folks from around the world culturally understand how they're living, how they sustain themselves, and compare and contrast and see how we can all be more mindful of energy sustainability and cultural literacy, food literacy, energy literacy, bringing all of that together and thinking about being a world citizen instead of just, I'm in my house and I'm in my school here in Las Vegas or here in Sacramento. What's going on around the world? And so you have a part in your STEM through solar cooking book, and it's where in the world. And I think it's so important for the students to see that. I also have students who are part of the Montessori Model United Nations program, and taking a look at the 17 sustainability goals, which is also mentioned in your booklet, is amazing for the students. They're talking about their rights, and they're very egocentric at this point in their lives, and it's important for them to step out of their own brain and see how the world works and how are people around the world solving their energy problems and how are they feeding themselves. It's just really important for the students to see that.